Hey, what's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's unboxing video. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. So this one here is the matte black color. There's also many colors that you guys can choose from. I decided to just go with the matte black. If you look over here in the top left, this one headphones, the Solo 3s, get up to 40 hours of battery life, which is just amazing. If we look over here to the left side, we do see the Solo 3s over here, Solo 3 wireless. And then over here in the back of the packaging, you guys can see Solo 3 wireless. We also get the wireless Bluetooth, obviously. Battery up to 40 hours of wireless play. Here we also have fast charging, I guess I should say. Fast fuel is what it's called. 5 minutes charge equals 3 hours of play. We also have the battery fuel gauge, so you can kind of see, I like how it says E and F, so it's kind of like, you've got fuel in it. I just find that quite cool. So if we look over here, built-in wireless microphone, as well as control music and manage calls through the included adapters, I'm guessing, or maybe also on the headphones itself. I've never had Beats overhead headphones like the Solos or anything, so I'm not too sure, but yeah. So on the other side, we do see the color. So this one here is the matte black right over here, made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. And then we also have a nice writing here, so people aren't hearing all the music. With Beats, people are going to hear what the artists hear and listen to the music the way they should, the way I do, Dr. Dre. So that's pretty cool to see that on the packaging. But yeah, so here's the top, and let's go ahead, guys, and get this opened. Starting off, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the seal over here on the bottom, just like that. All right, and then let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Very nice. Let's put this aside. Beautiful. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and lift this sleeve open. And we're revealed with this very nice, cool looking packaging. Got the Beats logo right there. Here's what it looks like on the sides, you guys. Oops. We also have the thing that I guess you can hang them on the shelves maybe. But yeah, so nothing on this side though. So anyways, let's go ahead and lift this up. All right, so here we go. Very nice. Just a nice plastic cardboard here. Putting this on the side, we've got here, change the way you hear sound, Beats logo right there. We also have this very cool sleeve over here that I just have to pull upwards. Reveals the Beats right over here in its carrying case. Let's put this over here for now. So we got the Beats pouch, I guess, or case bag right here. I'll put this on the side as well. In here we have another cardboard that just says like, use this to lift upwards. I'm guessing this is where the cables and stuff are. I'm having a hard time, come on. Oh boy. Oh, I just have to, okay, you don't have to grab this. You can just lift it up like this. That's pretty cool. Except I didn't expect that. I mean, it literally shows an arrow right over here, but I chose not to follow it. Anyways, put that aside. So in here, you guys, we have the Beats manuals. So let's go ahead and take a look at this real quick. All right. So we got a nice plastic wrap here. Come on. Let's see what's inside. Beautiful. All right, so inside here, you guys, we have Beats Solo 3 wireless, which is right over here, which is very cool, as you guys can see. Shows us how to set it up, seems like. Right there. Next up, we've got a nice big Beats sticker. Over here, we have important safety information, as well as the 1-year limited warranty. Gonna go ahead and put this away. All right. Then we have here, I forgot what these are called. I cannot believe I forgot, but yeah, we've got these right here. Let me know in the comments below what it's called. I literally just forgot what these are called. But then we also have Beats right over there, which is pretty nice. Then we got the charger here, which also says Beats right over here. And it's also a micro USB cable. Let's go ahead and put this away. And also we have our 3.5 millimeter cable right over here that also has some volume controls right over here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put this away as well. All right. And we pretty much have nothing else in the packaging, and it actually does not come with any USB power brick in the box, so you have to use it like your iPhone's wall adapter pretty much. So let's go ahead and put this away real quick. And right over here we got the Beats bag, so let's open it up. That's kind of what it looks like in case you guys want to see all around. Okay, so let's unzip it. Okay, and here we have the Beats right over here, which is actually foldable. Let's put that away. Nothing else in a case over here. Oh, actually, never mind. We do have a nice pocket in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually a nice cool looking pocket here. And I guess that's kind of where you store your cables, which is actually very nice. All right, so let's put the bag away. And let's take a look at the headphones as well. Okay, so pretty nice, easy foldable. So I guess it doesn't really fold on its own, so you would just fold it like this, which is pretty cool. And this hopefully just kind of gets corrected on its own, but that's because of the packaging, I guess. But yeah, so anyways, let's open this up right here. We've got Solo 3s saying right there. We also have wireless saying on the other side. If we look over here, we do have R, which means this is the right side, and also L, which should be the left side here, so you can't actually confuse them. We have a nice rubberized, comfortable padding over here actually, so I guess you can wear this a long periods of time because it's nice and comfortable on the top, very smooth material right here. Then we have this very soft earpieces as well, which actually feels very nice to the touch. Over here, it tells us about the controls. So it seems like we have a phone answer maybe, I'm not exactly sure, but it also has volume up and down, which this sticker says right here. But once we take this off, as you guys can see, it does show Beats right over there, which is pretty cool. Then also, here's the buttons, by the way. They don't show anything actually. You don't see any plus or anything here, but as you can hear, you can actually click them. Pretty cool, eh? So then if we look over here, we do have our 3.5 millimeter jack right over there. No, can't seem to see anything else, but also over here, it does say that this is where we charge. So if I look here, you guys can see we got the micro USB charging cable input right there. If we look over here, we do see the charging port right here, which also says it right there. Then we have here our fuel gauge, which is right here. And let's go ahead and take this off. And of course, we're probably gonna see the Beats logo right there, as you guys can see. And also, let me just press the button here to just start the headphones, which should turn on. I guess I have to hold it a little bit. Okay, there we go. And then we have our fuel gauge right there turning on. I think right now it's in like sync mode or something, trying to syncing it to my phone or something like that. But as you guys can see, it does work, and I'm just gonna hold it and turn it off real quick. There we go, it just goes off like that. Pretty cool, guys. Overall, this feels pretty nice. It is actually very nice, soft to the touch. So I kind of like the overall feel of these headphones. So they're pretty nice, and when you're done, you can just, you know, fold them and put them away. And also it says Beats right over here on the top. Pretty cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. And check out my second channel, Pog Auto. Link is in the description as well. That's where I upload my automotive content. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.